Hi guys, how are you all today? It's Dahana with Planning with Intentions. Welcome back if you are a returning viewer. If you are new or if it's your first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell to be reminded of when I post. Today I have a very exciting video to me. I wanted to share with you all because I think all your firsts are such a big moments, and especially when it's something that is going to help you in life. And for me, my planning, I do take it relatively serious, and when I make a change or when I purchase something, an investment, excuse me, it's a big deal to me because I do try to stick to not overspending if I can help it, unless it's absolutely something I absolutely need, if I can say absolutely one more time. So today I'm sharing with you guys opening this baby here, and let's see, I'm sure you guys are going to guess exactly what it is. It's my first, as you can tell, I don't know if you guys can see it from the camera. It is my first VDS, my first Vander Speak. Now I did purchase the Touch Me leather because I wanted to see how I liked it, but I've been in the search of considering purchasing a planner that I can make on my own. Gilio and VDS is out there, of course. Aurora Style is out there as well. But I already have an Aurora Style, and I actually purchased another one that's on its way. But they're the ones that are already ready to be made, and you can't make any changes. Now to this one itself, you cannot, I'm sure you all know, but if you don't, if you've never heard, or if this is your first video, Touch Me leather, you cannot make any changes except for the size of the rings, the color, a fly leaf, and if you want it engraved in the front part of the planner. I went ahead and did the extreme basic, which is just the planner itself with no fly leaf. I did upgrade to the 30mm rings, but I did stay with the standard silver, which there is no upcharge for. If you change the color, there is an upcharge, the fly leaf is an upcharge, and the engraving is an upcharge. So let's get into this baby. It is packaged relatively well. It came to me very fast. I ordered it on, well, that's one thing I will tell you guys. When you order it, it will ship within, it says within 5 days. It actually shipped in 5 days, but it's 5 business days. So if you guys are going to purchase this, I suggest you to purchase it on a Sunday night, so it ships by Friday, and you get it, which I got it on Monday. Now I will say, it was telling me on the tracker, it was telling me it was going to be here like a week later. Ended up being here within 3 days of being shipped. Look at this box. Very nice box. I'm excited. Let's open this up. Ooh, look at that. Now, I don't have any planners in this color, so I went ahead and ordered the Tamarack. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Oh, this is okay. This was just taped up. I just took it off. Oh, that is pretty. I don't have anything this color. Oh, that's a nice. It's pretty strong. Let's take All right then. It has a zipper, a pen loop, a pocket, a side pocket, a secretarial pocket. It's got a secretarial pocket here. It has 6 pockets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a pen loop, a back pocket, and these rings are the Krause rings, which if you have Aurora Stells, you will have a Krause rings as well. This is my second planner with Krause, and they do feel a little bit different when you open them. And there's no gaps, which I believe that's one of the highlights of Krause rings. You do have to pick up this top part to remove them because they are removable. But guys, I wanted to share with you all. Let me give you a very quick comparison. Here is a Filofax Malden. See how much darker it is. Do you see? Let's see if we can get this in line here. The Malden is slightly a little bit shorter. Yes, definitely a little bit shorter. You see that from the top. And the Malden or the VDS is a bit wider. Alright guys, thank you for watching and opening this with me. I've been holding on to it for a few days because I wanted to really open it with you all before I jumped into it. I will be setting it up and I'll share with you guys how I set it up. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later. Bye.